friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and this is Raising Grace, and today's video is finally going to be our fall home tour. I got my pumpkin cream cold brew in hand and I am ready to show you guys around. And little disclaimer, my house is lived in, so you know, I wanted to make everything perfect, but I only have so much time while the kids are sleeping, and that's why it hasn't gotten filmed. I feel like every single day I run out of time. I clean and then they're up and I don't have time to film without them running around. So there are a couple of spots in my house that are not Pinterest perfect clean, but I wanted to show you guys the decor regardless. And yeah, so let's get into it. The first thing you'll see when you walk in is this cute Hello Pumpkin floor mat. I got the buffalo check one from Hobby Lobby this year, and that Hello Pumpkin floor mat I got from Joann's. This Happy Harvest sign I just fell in love with. I love it, and I got it from a store called Gabe's, and I got it this year for $20. Over here I have a pumpkin sitting, and I've actually had that for many years. We actually put it outside, so we opened the bag up and put concrete in it. But yeah, and then I have this chair. It's just a really old painted chair that I found at the Goodwill thrift store. Above that, I have this sign about life's made of choices, so kindly remove your shoes or scrub the floor. And I also got that from Gabe's many years ago. I want to say like 4 years ago. And then on the door, I have this green wreath. I got that from TJ Maxx, and I just put my own bow on it. Let's go inside. So here, before I show you guys my windowsill, I'm just showing you a glimpse of my mom life. Yes, I have dishes I have to do, but I really wanted to get this video out, and the only time I could record it was when the kids were sleeping, so I wanted to use this time wisely. But on my windowsill, I just have this Eat, Drink, and Be Scary sign, and I got that this year at TJ Maxx. And then I have this little pumpkin that says Fall Blessings. On our table in the kitchen, I just have this Bon Appetit canister. It's a Ray Dunn one. I got that this year from TJ Maxx. And funny story, I actually thought for a minute there it said Bon Appetit. But this is a dog bone canister, and we don't have a dog. So I guess I thought it's okay now to have out because of Halloween. But yeah, I may give this to my sister-in-law, and I got it for $14.99. And then sitting right beside that canister, I have this little pumpkin I got from the Dollar Tree this year, and I just thought it looked very Ray Dunn-ish. And then beside that, I have this trick-or-treat bowl, and the great thing about this is it's actually plastic, so I'll be sticking some treats in there for my family this year. And I was looking for the tag. I think I got that for like $12, but I washed it so I don't have the tag on it. And then I have my little pumpkin spice candle I got from Walmart, and that's it for there. And then up on this shelf, I love decorating this. I have a pumpkin that I got from Walmart last year, and I think I got for like $4. And beside that, I have this adorable little creepy spider. Usually I don't do the creepy stuff, but with 2 toddlers, I knew my kids would get a kick out of that, and I got him from the Dollar Tree this year. And then I have my little stand from Target and my Dollar Tree candle from last year on top of that. To the right, I have this adorable thankful sign, and I got that last year from TJ Maxx. And that sign I actually keep out all year round. And then I have this cross that I got this spring from the Dollar Tree. I just love the turquoise. And then again, I have my Dollar Tree candle with a candle holder that I repurposed. I painted it. It was a hideous tan color, so I repainted that. I had that holder forever. And then another Walmart pumpkin on the right. Now I'm showing you the other side of our kitchen. I really don't decorate too much over here by the stove, although I do like to put out different holiday towels. That one I got as a gift from my mom last year, and I love pumpkin spice, so that spoke to me as soon as I saw it. And then I just have my basic Grove Collaborative towel. If you guys need great towels, seriously, those are the best. And then on the counter, I just have this owl that I got for a wedding gift before Corey and I got married, and I thought it did look fallish. And then in this corner, we have our homeschool preschool area, and we do teach our daughter pre-K 2 at home. And I have this chalkboard. I love it. We got it from Michael's last year, and it was kind of pricey. I think it was like $40, but we did have a 40% off coupon, so that made it more reasonable. And then I put that little creepy spider up there from the Dollar Tree this year, just to add a little bit of like festive vibe to our little area. And then I got this calendar from Michael's also, if anyone's looking for anything like that. And then on the table, I have this scarecrow from the Dollar Tree this year with her gingham. And she went perfectly with these sunflowers that I got last year from Hobby Lobby. I just love how realistic they look. And I love this container here, this vase I got last year. It's huge, guys. And I got it from TJ Maxx, but I did get 10% off because it had a chip missing. There, you can see that. But yeah, so if you guys ever see anything at any stores that doesn't look perfect, it has a flaw, ask them, because most of the time they will give you a discount. I found that out. And then I just have my tablecloth on top of our cabinets there. And that's just a basic tablecloth that I got last year, and I just folded it up so it looked more like a table runner. On our dining room table here, I did very simple. I just have this gorgeous candle holder. It's almost like a lantern, because when you have the candle on, you see the light coming out, and it's just beautiful. And I got that a few years ago off of Mercari, but I know that it is a Bath & Body Works item. And then I just have a Bath & Body Works candle inside. And I think I have the apple caramel candle there. Yes, caramel apple. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, nothing's better than that. Nothing screams fall like a caramel apple candle. And then underneath that, I have this turntable. And it is heavy as all get out. It is real marble. And I got that this year from Marshall's. And I think it was only like $12, so it was a good find for me. And I just try to keep it pretty basic. This here is just my coffee bar area. And up top on the shelf here, I have this pumpkin. It's a ceramic pumpkin, a vintage one I got last year at Goodwill. And then on the bottom here, I have my little 3-tiered stand. And then I got this scary sign on the very top from Goodwill last year for like $1. And then I have my Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes pumpkin I got from the Dollar Tree this year. And on the very bottom, I just have these Rae Dunn Fall Y'all mugs that I just fell in love with. Going into the living room, I always decorate this little fireplace that I have, and this year I put this buffalo check pumpkin on the left hand side, and I got that this year from Marshall's. I have this sign about being thankful, and I believe I got that from the Target dollar spot a few years ago. And then I have my little Day of the Dead puppy. My kids have been absolutely loving Coco. So when I saw this on Joann's, I had to get it. And then I have my little Dollar Tree pumpkin, and I just felt like it went so well with this puppy. So I had to put that beside him. And then last I have this scarecrow, and he is also from the Dollar Tree from a very long time ago. So now moving on to the big couch, I have 2 buffalo check pillows on the sides, and I got those last year from Amazon. They were relatively cheap, and they're just actually pillow covers. So I covered the pillows that we had already had. And I just draped this buffalo check blanket on top, and I got that this year for TJ Maxx. And then over here, I have this Penguins Fan Cave sign. I just love it, so I had to include that. We got that a few years from a local craft show. And then above that, I have these 2 shelves I always decorate. These pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree a few years ago, and that one with the Thankful came from Target Dollar Spot last year. And then the picture frames, both of them I actually repurposed. I got them both from Goodwill last year. This one was gold, and then this one down here was silver and tarnished looking. And I wanted some nice white frames that would be like heavy duty frames. So these did the trick. I just painted them. And then on the sides, I have this polka dot pumpkin I got last year from Hobby Lobby. And then on the right hand side, I have this little jack-o'-lantern I got last year from the Dollar Tree. This big dresser in the corner is always one of my very favorite spaces to decorate for the different holidays. I love switching it up here. When I saw this Little Monsters Live Here sign, it just completely spoke to me. So I had to get that last year, and I got that from TJ Maxx, and it was $5.99. And then beside that, I have this jack-o'-lantern that I also got last year from TJ Maxx. I love how retro it looks. Then I just have another Walmart pumpkin. And then I just have this adorable trick-or-treat ghost. It is so vintage looking, even though it's not. I actually got that this year from Michael's, and my daughter picked it out, and I could not deal with how cute it was. On our smaller couch here, I have this adorable black and white pumpkin pillow that I got this year from TJ Maxx. It was either TJ Maxx or Marshall's, and I think it was like $20, and I could not get over that with the gingham. And then I have my Amazon pillow covers again. The last space I'm gonna show you guys is this desk under our TV, and I just went for a very glamorous look here. It kind of reminded me of Cinderella and with the mixed metals, and I found this mixed metal pumpkin this year at Marshall's. Next, beside my candle holder and my little Dollar Tree pumpkin I got there, I have this sign, and it says, "Let there be for every pulse of Thanksgiving and for every breath a song." And I love this, and it was just gifted to me last year by my mom, and I just thought it just like pulled everything together, looking metallic and just thankfulness and everything. I just love it. And beside that is my Cinderella pumpkin with the pearls. And then lastly, I have my candlesticks over here and my candle holders. I got the candle holders this year from Ross, and I love them. They were all different prices, but yeah, I thought it turned out really, really nice. And sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm having a hard time here, but I just wanted to show you guys that, and that is what it looks like under the TV. Alright guys, so that is all for our fall home tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and sorry about the dishes in the sink, but like I said, I wanted to film this before the kids woke up from their nap. And sometimes, you know, this is mom life, and our house is lived in, and sometimes that's all you got time to do. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.